Good morning, guys. Today I would like to start the lesson The Light of the Other Days. It's written by Thomas More. He is one of the best romantic poets. Okay, he, he was an Irish poet, singer, songwriter, and entertainer. Now, best remembered for the lyrics of The Minstrel Boy and The Last Rose of Summer. He was a very close friend of Lord Byron and P.B. Shelley of Romantic Age. Okay. In the beginning of the poem, the poet, whenever the poet starts sleeping, okay, he remembers his past memories. Past memories means very fond memory. That is about his boyhood, how he enjoys his boyhood and with lover, with the family, with the parents. Okay, so those days were gone. Okay, okay, there are smiles and tears. Okay, the boyhood days were with full of laughs. Okay, the at that time he would enjoy like anything. Okay, so the first stanza describes the past life or his boyhood life. Okay, now everything has been disappeared or vanished, everything has been gone. Now his cheerful heart's now completely broken. Okay, though they are sometimes okay, though he is alone, okay, he, in the stilly night it gives some soothe or comfortness. And okay, when he remembers his in the second stanza, when he remembers his friends whom he played with, now they are no more. Okay, they they might be dead or they moved over somewhere else. Okay, the sad memory brings the light of other days around him. Whenever the poet sleeps, the time in the second stanza, the poet gets some sad memories. Okay, the poet has seen most of his friends have been moved away or died. They are compared to wintry weather. Okay, now the poet feels very lonely and he compares himself like a banquet hall. How the banquet hall is deserted, he feels lonely. No one is there to enjoy. So his present life is full of sadness and melancholy. Okay, so here you see the banquet hall's lights are totally fled, garlands are dead. Okay, everybody is left over. Only he is alone. Okay, so still maybe they are still in the night time. Maybe they are sad memories. Okay, he dreams. So in the first stanza, he dreams the childhood days memories, which which gives him a lot of happiness. Whereas second stanza, it brings a sadness. Okay, it it occurs to everybody. It is not only happens to the poet but also to everyone. Okay, so so, so when he remembers the sad memories, he feels sad. He is lonely. No one is around with him. Okay. Now let us discuss some figures of speech. Now we'll discuss what is transferred epithet. It is a figure of speech in which a qualifying adjective is transferred from a person to a thing. from a person to a thing. It works like adjective in small. Okay. A minister lives a colorful life. Here, colorful speaks about life. So it is transport epithet. I passed a sleepless night. Okay. Yes, sleepless describes night. Now let us discuss simile. A simile is a figure of speech comparing two things. It introduces with like or as us. They fought like cats and dogs. Here they are fighting and cats and dogs fighting are similar. She was as busy as a bee. Her busyness is compared to a bee. So thank you for watching this video.